Ka Food Sora International Half Marathon ka wei nek jing kop mare kabla pau bat pena nam pha ha ka jala bat kumju ha ka di pro ka wei kabla itu eka ka World Athletics bat kumju ka Athletics Federation of India kan long ha ka arfnyu tregunai lor arjar arfsan ka tare ka bakhadu ban priang ye ki keteng banyi shimenta ka long ha la ni shwa ka shpo tregunai lor arjar arfsan yakni ka jing kop an pelong ya ka da Meghalaya State Olympic Association pat kershan ya ka da katna Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka sarkar jala kapisa kaban pelut nagam dagan gijing ko baro kan long arklor knak nyo lak tingka ya kanil la pentep the working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F Karshiyeng ha ka ba la don lang Director Sports and Youth Affairs UDD Shira Secretary ka Meghalaya Athletics Association ba finally El Pariat ha ka jingi kran pat kilat pathai ka board menta ka la singu blay ka jingi kop la phya eka ha ka Arthway ki Elite Open khat pras nem cheneng Arthway ki Open Meghalayan khat pras nem cheneng Chipau ki Open khat pra du South nem cheneng Chipau ki Open South hadu Sanpusan nem cheneng Chipau ki Open Sanpusan nem cheneng bat san kir run for fun Haus nem ubaladep ke jingwan kinong isim benta kalong hadu nyo hajar arspa san pulai ngot ya ka ba menta ke kenti la meliti bagi nong wan isim benta kila ban poi Shushu Kambun. Tanggo wei ke jingkar pat na kalian kinong penya kalong bagi try muluk ki badon ye ke jing temu banyak simbenta sekini ke jing yakop la karpa de ki paken pa ne penpoi no ya ke kerteng ke jongki kat kum kapor ka balabo ya ka ba anumla ban pedang pat ya ki ba one islam hadin ke sngi ka balabo.
SDO Civil, the police, SDO Civil, and the entire government machinery, and the Sardar Shillong, all the village heads in that route who have continuously also collaborated to make it a success. We are really grateful to all the departments, the line departments in the subdivision who have really collaborated to make this run a big success, from the police, from the health department, the education department, and other line departments. Thank you.
Thank you, John, and thank you, Sir Shira, Director. I would also thank my media friends who have been responding to this call of the MSA to be here for this press conference for the 4th International Sora Marathon. I cannot imagine that it will be the 4th because I started here talking to think that it will be 1, 2 now. It's only, we started from the first year 2,800, second year is 3,800, fifth is 5,000, third is 4,000, of 7,000 now. We don't expect, I think, more than 10,000 this time. So it's happening in Sora and all. We hope that as the meeting held at SDO, that all the people of Sora are willing to join this one to show their solidarity for the people of Sora for what is happening. And we're happy that everything is solved. So this is time to showcase Sora as a tourist destination of Meghalaya. Once again, thank you, media, for your cooperation. Without you, we not able, as I said last year, we didn't do any publicity except press conference. So this time, I hope you help us in spreading the news of this Sora Marathon. This Sora Marathon is the same as we have done last year, except that it's recognized by the Athletic Federation. We have to pay them money. All the technical officials, all the timing technologies, everything is all from the AFI, which are recognized by the World Athletic Association. So regarding technical part, this is done by them. Ours is to just to maintain, see that the routes is good, and the volunteers, the refreshment, everything, the water point, the medical team, so as you have seen, will be done by a collaboration with the Directorate of Sport and us, MSA and MAA. So far we have no problem. We are working very hard. Even the people of Sardar as well, I'm told they are really happy that this is happening once again in Sora. So regarding the prize money, just the category we have changed this time. Last time we put above 60 years. This time we have done away with the 60 years because of less participants. So this time we are doing only 21 elite open above 18. The 21 open only for Meghalaya above 18. 10K 18 to 40 years, 10K 40 to 55 years, 10K 55 years and above. All these are open category. So The prize money, I'll be sharing with you the details. I need not to say. The total prize money is 15 lakhs 50,000. We do have the gift for the under 14 run for fun for the first 200 runners, and also consolation prize for the above 50 who finish the 21K. Last time also we gave them some cash prize. This time also we're giving them. So everything online entry will be explained again by John, the online thing that this time we request, especially from Meghalaya, they used to wait till the last moment because network problem, no? Sometimes they wait till the last moment, no, we cannot get the thing. So we request all the participants to kindly do it. Since our entry fee is very cheap, indeed we are taking only 1,000. And also the 21K, 10K for all the race is just 200 rupees. And this time we added 50 rupees for the 10K. We added this 10K run is because of the run for fun, because most last year we have a big problem because of online entry, they give free and they just enter like that, one name 5, 6 times, and it make a big mess for us. And we have to hire bus, the bus has been hired, sometimes 15 buses are wasted. Because of the fun we are not much concerned, we are more concerned on this competitive. So this time we are taking a minimum 50 rupees for all those who are participating, and request them that this year the timing of leaving Shillong will be 3 a.m. sharp.
The best time was, the first was 1 hour 3 minutes. So we're looking forward to, last year the winner was Akshay Kumar and Ankita Kevin in the 21 kilometers men and women. So the men was Akshay, who clocked in at 1 hour 3 minutes, while the other one was 1 hour 14 minutes. So we are hoping that this time more records will come in, keep breaking the earlier past records.